Hello and welcome to part 3 of my Pixel 4a unboxing extravaganza series. In part 1 I unboxed the Pixel 4a and in part 2 I applied the Ultramat teardown skin from Dbrand. In this video I'll apply the tempered glass screen protector from Tokwall, and in part 4 I'll add the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. Of course, I'm doing a quick review of each product along the way, and I'll leave a link to them all in the video descriptions. If I've planned this right, all 4 videos should already be up on my account, ready for you to view. So I hope you're sitting comfortably, because we're about to begin. So here we've got the box, and it's nice to see that there's a lifetime replacement warranty in case anything goes wrong with the product. Inside the box you get 3 screen protectors for the Pixel 4a, a little card that tells you to register your warranty within a fortnight, the alignment frame that tells you which side is supposed to go at the top, 3 packs of dry and wet wipes conveniently labelled 1 and 2 to let you know what order you're supposed to use them in, 3 packs of guide stickers and dust absorbers, a microfiber cloth, and this fabric covered cardboard squeegee thing that you're supposed to use to get rid of air bubbles. On the box they tell you to visit the site to see how you're supposed to install this, but they don't have a video for the Pixel 4a, so I'm basing this installation on one of their videos for the iPhone SE. So, step 1 was to turn the phone off and gently wipe it down using a wet wipe. I tried to avoid the speaker grill at the top as much as possible. After that was done, step 2 was to use a dry wipe to get rid of any excess liquid. Step 3 was to use a dust absorber to pick up any stray bits of dust before we got to the actual application. With the prep done, step 4 was to apply the alignment frame, which clicked into place quite nicely. For step 5 I got my screen protector and peeled off the back cover. I then gently lowered it into the alignment frame, trying to align the cutout with the front facing camera, and then I pushed it down into place. I then pressed down on it and then lifted the alignment frame, and finally for step 6 I used a squeegee to push out all the air bubbles. This actually took a while because some of the bubbles were stubborn and refused to move, but eventually I got it done. Overall, the whole thing took about 3 minutes, and most of that was just me cleaning the screen before and after. It was a really smooth and, dare I say, flawless installation with no dust or bubbles or alignment issues. The front-facing camera is as accessible as ever, although the time in the notification shade can sometimes look distorted if you're using the phone at a weird angle. Clarity is excellent, and although the screen protector is supposed to be audiophobic, it still seems to pick up fingerprints fairly easily. That said, swiping around the display is remarkably fluid, and the edges are very slightly curved, so it's a nice, smooth transition from the edge of the screen protector to the phone, rather than a sudden, sharp drop. Plus, that curved edge means that gestures work perfectly, which is a big thing with Android 11, so you can swipe in from either side to go back, or swipe up from the bottom to go home or see your recent apps. I can't really comment on how well it'll protect my phones from scratches and drops since I've only just applied it, but I do have high hopes. To be clear, the screen protector doesn't go all the way to the edge of the phone's front, it only covers the display. It actually leaves a bit of room on all sides in case you want to use a case, which I absolutely do. And of course, the case I want to use is a Spigen Ultra Hybrid. So check out part 4 of my Pixel 4a unboxing extravaganza series for more information. And on a related note, I just want to give a quick update on the Dbrand skin I applied in the previous video. After I had finished filming, I peeled up the bottom corners and used a hairdryer to heat them up until the skin got really soft, and then I took my time to reapply them. And now I have no creases or sharp edges along the corners, so it looks wonderful. If you had the same issue with the corners that I did, I definitely recommend using a hairdryer to reapply them because it does make a pretty noticeable difference. Anyway, I look forward to seeing all of you for part 4 of this series. Till then, if you have any questions, comments or concerns, please let me know and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you and your family are safe and well wherever you are in the world. This has been Zaim Siddiqui from Zeus Reviews, over and out.